be read. Or likewise, you could probably sniff the packets and figure out the encryption algorithm.
So, I'm not sure if your anti-spoofing algorithm fixes this, but how would your system react to like a bunch of kids walking on T-tracks for a while?
They would have to be moving at the speed of a train. And if you do that, then there's nothing you can do. If you move like a train and you're exactly where you need to be, then there's nothing you can do about that. You can make your own train.
Have you thought about notifications? For example, if I'm a user, does your application tell me or show me in any way where the trains are? Say if I'm at a T-stop and I want to get it, and if maybe not the application, have you thought about doing maybe text notifications where I could text the number or text something and get a notification back that the train is inbound in 5 minutes?
Right, this version of the prototype is a very basic version to show the demonstration that the system actually is capable of performing this. Of course, this can be done. All these, you can create a SMS gateway on the server also to have people requesting this. The first question you asked, the user with any web-enabled device can go on the website and see. Creating a WAP protocol for mobile devices website is also not a big deal. It's some coding and changing all the graphical stuff into a text-based interface, which the user can just type in if they have a data plan and check the arrival times out.
Well, I like the project. Well, the GPS doesn't work inside trains. You can triangulation, but it's not very accurate. It's from towers, etc. So I was thinking about going to start talking, but one way to do it is I'm waiting for the train. And certainly I can communicate because the system knows where I am. And then I disappear. Then I appear again at another station. That gives you an idea of what I came in my out. And you can probably using data like this, you can get much more reliable information than the inception. It's just a comment. I like it.
Right, the prediction, the estimated, the user processor where the system actually learns every time the schedule changes will actually go through the user data there and look at the GPS coordinates, and with the timestamp associated with that coordinate, I mean, you can show one point at Harvard Ave, and then 10 minutes or 20 minutes later, it'll show up another point in BU Central or something, and that data will be used to make the prediction algorithms better, because you know the time it took you from here to here.
The question I have was comparative. So after time, yes, I want to find one for reading hours, but I also want to find it was good for me. So when you think about trying to use this to figure out how many people are, because usually it doesn't come on time, that's very easy.
If everyone had a GPS cell phone, then it would be easy.
People can punch in.
Right. We kept it a one-way communication. Yeah, that's definitely something to. I mean, the system can be scaled to so many different ways. I mean, we thought about even allowing a cell phone application to show up a pop-up based on which station you're on. Say, okay, can you grab a slice of pizza on this stop or whatnot, depending on where you are. And that's also capable of doing this. We haven't
Maybe one last quick question. I'm just curious, I really like the system. What's next? So how can I start using it? Can I use the source code?
The next thing, so there's two things to say about that, I guess. On the development side, we're actually planning over the summer maybe developing an iPhone application on it, since it's proprietary stuff, and a lot of people obviously popular. And right now the iPhone doesn't support this. So yeah, creating that, or the Google phone. For the users, just going on the website and checking, first of all, if your cell phone supports that JSR 179 specification, the location API, and whether it has GPS capabilities in it. If it does, then the application will run on your phone. So you can go and download the Nokia version or the Motorola one for smaller size screens, because the Nokia screens are usually big on the phone. And it should work flawlessly.
So have you thought about releasing the source code so that other phones, say someone else can develop the iPhone application? Or?
Yeah, it's all there. The documentation is assembled, and if you're interested in it, I'm happy to show you.
Thank you very much.